Sometimes you can spend a lot of money on a piece of kit and you're not 100% sure if it will be a good investment. I did that at the end of 2023. I bought the Sony 200-600 lens, but there was no need to worry, or was there? Working in the TV industry, as I've done for many years now, I'm always surprised at how versatile I have to be, and that goes for my kit as well. I spoke previously about my Tamron 28-75 lens and how it's my go-to piece of glass. But there are times when a job has needed a super zoom lens to get close to faraway subjects. So in December 2023, I took the plunge, aided by a cashback offer from Sony. So a quick tip, if you're going to make a big purchase and you go new, wait for the great Sony cashback offers. As I did, you can get a great deal. Anyway, the lens I chose was the Sony 200-600 5.6 to 6.3. And when spending big on a big lens, you have to make sure it's the right decision. Make sure you'll use it enough to balance out the outlay. When I shoot with the England men's or women's teams at St George's Park, training sessions can be difficult without a really long lens. Sometimes teams train on the opposite side of the pitch, and a 70-200 isn't long enough to get the job done. This was the gap I needed to fill, and with the right glass. So having worked out what glass I wanted and then buying it, the first thing I did was shoot the moon. And the results are stunning, by the way, but I surely can't be the only one to do this when buying a zoom lens. Comment below if you've done the same. But after that test shot, it was onto using the lens for more practical applications. And first up, basketball, and these shots are just awesome. Shooting courtside, you can really get into the action and you can see all the players' reactions. Then there was canoeing. That and rowing have always been an issue, as athletes are on the lake so far away, but not anymore. And if this is aided by drone shots, close-ups on the lake, and gimbal coverage, you can really tell a good story. And then the final test was some athletics in Loughborough. Whether it be Olivia stretching or running towards the camera, the shots really do open up new possibilities. Photos also hit the spot. These with double Olympic medalist Bianca Cook came out great. Even more so when you consider it's a 5.6 to 6.3 aperture. Great images all round. So to conclude, I'm so happy I have this Sony 200-600 zoom in my bag. The results are exactly what I've been looking for. Let me know in the comments below if you own this lens or it's something you would consider getting as well. So it's only early days yet with this lens, but so far I'm really pleased and delighted to have the Sony 200-600 zoom in my bag. I'm still to figure out how I want this lens to be rigged up, and I'm sure I'll find an ideal way that suits me. After years of building my kit bag, I'm able to shoot from 17mm all the way to 600mm and even further in Super 35 mode with clear image zoom. I'll look forward to seeing what other sports I can shoot. The opportunities are there now to shoot whatever I want. And that reminds me, I started this video talking about football, and maybe that should be the next sport I shoot.